Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Now we use black color and first we draw the letter of A. A for apple. And now we draw B. B for ball. Kids, now we draw the letter of C. C for cow, C for cat. Now we draw the letter of D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. Now we draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw the letter of G. G for goat. The next one is H. H for hand. Kids, now we draw I. I for ice cream. The next one is J. J for jackfruit. Now we draw K. K for kite. And the next one is L. L for lion. The next one is M. M for moon. And now we draw N. N for nose. Kids, now we draw O. O for orange. Now we draw the letter of P. Now we draw Q. The next one is R. And now we draw S. Kids, now we draw the letter of T. The next one is U. U for umbrella. Now we draw the letter of V. The next one is W. Now we draw X. X for X-ray. The next one is Y. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.